Hello, everybody. I'm back, and we are back. And last time we were making we're starting working paper Minecraft. We made these three in pixel art, not pixel art, but it's Piscal, if you ever wanted to know. But we started making random generation, and this is what we got done with. It's pretty simple, and if you stop time and play it again, you'll see that everything's different. See. I'll try it again. If you lose, yep, it's all different. So, now, what you do notice when you start playing, you notice how, you can see the dirt and it's not really smooth. It's just up and up and up. It's not smooth at all. We want it kind of be like this right here, but it's still not smooth that much. So, how do we fix this? Well, we use something called purlin noise. So we're going to go into our scripts right here. We're going to open up our terrain generation script and we're going to edit it. Okay. So, as soon as this opens up. Okay. So, last time we had minimum height and maximum height. We don't want that anymore. So we're going to go ahead and just delete this. Minimum height, maximum height. We're just going to delete that. We're going to do public int height equals 10. Sorry. I didn't even spell height correctly. Equals 10. Right, this is just to start off. Public float smooth. This equals something pretty low, and the decimal number is like 0.5f. Alright, we can always change this when we're done. So, and we'll keep this the same. We'll keep pretty much most of this about the same. The stuff that we're going to change the most is about right here. So we used to have, we're still, no, because we don't have minimum height or maximum height anymore. We now have to do something else now. So instead of having this, we're going to go ahead and add float purlin value equals math f.purlin noise. Oops. I'm going to do in parentheses x times smoothness, comma 0. We're going to close that off, and we're going to do times, and we're going to do height. Alright. And then we're going to do int terrain height equals math f.round to int purlin value. Alright, so and we keep this about the same. Yep, we keep this about the same. What else do we change? Well, we don't. Do we still? Yeah, we still have height. We still have dirt depth. It's all fine. I think we're about good. And actually, no, wait. Instead of doing height, we're actually going to change it. So let's go here, and then let's do our new terrain height. And let's do this for all the heights. So instead of height, we're going to do terrain height. Terrain height. Okay. It's all the same. Okay. And now we can go down here, and then we can change this to terrain height. Alright. Cool. I think we're about done. Yeah, we're about done. So let's just go ahead and just save this. Control S. And now we can go back into Unity and see our changes. Okay, no errors? Okay, good. Wait for it to load. Okay, I think we're good. Okay, yep. Now you can see that we have our new variables in, sort of. Alright, so now if we press play, we'll see that we now have more gradual. Alright, let's go ahead and go into here, and let's go ahead into Paper Minecraft. What I'm gonna do is actually turn down the audio because I was checking over the video yesterday and the audio was super loud for Paper Minecraft. Alright, let's go to new game. Let's just do survival. It doesn't matter. Alright, so you can see that here changes aren't really gradual. I mean, I think ours is a bit more gradual than this. Yeah, it's definitely a lot more gradual. This one just kind of spikes up. Maybe the seed isn't the best example of gradual changes. Like if I swim across here, maybe there's another mountain I can show. When you guys get, like you guys get what I mean by gradual changes, hopefully. Like, kind of like that, right there. Yeah, that's good. I think what we have for our settings for now are pretty good. Yeah. So if we go ahead and stop and we'll maybe load up a new one. Seems it's gonna be the same. We don't want that. Maybe if we put it to 0.02, it'll make it even more gradual. Which might be a little bit too low, so we're gonna actually change it by 0.05 again. Yeah, okay. So now it doesn't really have a change now, so we want to fix that. So the way we fix that is going for a more Minecraft approach now. So we're gonna add seeds. So let's go back and go ahead and script. Let's go back into our script, and what we're gonna add a new float, and then we're gonna call it seed. So public float seed equals 0. Alright. So now in our start, instead of just having this, we are going to go ahead. Let's go ahead and just put a little space here. If then we're gonna put seed equals to 0. Then seed equals random.range. For now, let's maybe say something like 0f, comma, I don't know, 10,000 f. And we can always just change this number whenever we want. So now what will seed do? It'll make randomly generated. So how do we do that? We go ahead and go back into here, and we change this a little. So instead of just ending it with this, we're gonna go ahead and make another parentheses. So let's go ahead and we just delete everything after purlin noise here. We're gonna make a new one. So we're gonna go ahead and make x times smoothness plus seed, comma 0 times height. Alright. And that seems to be pretty good. Alright. I think, yeah, we're about done now. We are about done. So let's go ahead and save it here. So, let's go back into Unity. Alright, no errors. Let's make sure yep, it's all correct. And now if we go into our terrain generator, we'll see that seed is for now 0 until we press play. And now seed is random. So seed is a random number. Let's press play again. You'll see seed's random again, and it generates new. So yeah, now we have smooth terrain, smooth hills and stuff. So that's very good. So you can see this is the lowest point down here, and this is the highest point up here. Doesn't really matter. But if we change the number while we're in game, it's not gonna do anything. Like, it's always gonna set it to 0. But it's fine. So now, yeah, so I think we're not going to leave it off here. We're actually going to go ahead and go a little bit more deeper. So here, what I want to do first is I want to change the colors. So in paper Minecraft, it's a bit lighter. So let's go ahead and put it about here. Then let's go ahead and make this way lighter. I could almost say up here. Yeah. So yeah, that's good. So now if we go into here, we can see it's a little bit more lighter. Yeah, that's a bit bright actually. I might change it to be a bit darker. How about this? Yeah, it's a little dark now. It looks a little stormy. We want to make it look as day as we can, without making it look too bright. Hold on, I'll touch in with you when it's done. Hold on, it's taking a bit to load. It's oh. Hello, hello. I think it works now. Okay. Yeah, that's better. That's better. I don't know why it's making my thing close everything. I'm gonna go ahead and fix that real quick. So give me 1 second. Okay, I'm back. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and go into our pixel editor again. So, hold on. Okay, everybody. So yeah, let's go ahead and go. Well, I'm using Pixel for now, and I'm going to browse my local browse images. I'm going to go ahead and add stone block. For now, we're just gonna add. We're just gonna make coal. So let's just go ahead and make simple coal. How do we do that? Well, let's go. I'm going into paper Minecraft again, and I'm going to go and see how they make coal. And they made it the exact same as Minecraft, I'm pretty sure. So let's go ahead and see here. Alright, so let's look for coal. Where's coal? Okay, right here, coal. So you can see there's a few gradients. So let's go ahead and maybe add some of that. So let's go ahead and maybe add like a light, dark, like that almost. And then we can go ahead and just add a bit. Then maybe we can go back to a bit darker. From afar, this looks coaly, right? That doesn't look coaly. Alright, something like this. Let's go ahead and just, change this by adding whatever color. Alright. So, yeah, that's pretty cool, I could say. Yeah, that looks pretty cool to me. So, we're gonna go ahead and save this. We're gonna go over here, we're gonna save this as coal black. We're gonna go ahead and export this as a PNG, download as a PNG. Alright, now we're gonna go back into Unity, and we're gonna go ahead and add our tile here. So, let's go ahead and drag and drop if we go to where you have your coal block, let's go ahead and add a coal block here, or whatever type of ore you want to add. I'm just doing coal block. Let's change this to 16. So, alright, now let's go into tile rules. We're going to add a new tile rule. So create 2D tile rule. Rule tile, I'm sorry. Okay, we're going to add coal rule tile. Alright, let's go ahead and go into here, and let's make this our coal. Alright, so we're going to go back here, and then we're going to go plus here, and then we're going to just do not this. We're just going to make it so it's not this all around. so now we have our coal ready, and let's go back into our scripting. So let's go ahead and go back to Visual Studio or whatever type of, whatever how you script, doesn't matter. I just use Visual Studio. So let's go ahead and go into here. Let's make a new tile. So public pool tile, coal tile. Actually, coal tile. Let's make sure to keep it the same. All right. Now let's go ahead and go into here. We're gonna do public float coal chance equals 0.05f. Alright, cool. And now that's all the same. But now down here is what we are going to change. So you see how we have our grass rule tiles, stone rule tile, and stuff like that. So now we're gonna change. We're gonna keep it, sort of. Oh, I don't know how to explain this. How do I? Okay, so we're gonna change up stone tile here a bit. So instead of just making it stone all the time, we're gonna make it a little chance that coal can appear, but it's gonna be less rare than actual stone. So let's just go ahead and delete this. Yes, I finally found an explanation for it. Okay, if random.value, actually, hold on, random.value, we're going to do this, then coal chance, then we're going to go ahead and add that. Okay, tile map that set tile new vector 3 int x comma y comma 0 comma what did we put it up here? Coal rule tile? Yeah. Coal rule tile. Alright. And now let's go ahead and and then we're gonna put else. Hold on. Sorry. Else. And then we're gonna do tile map dot set tile new vector 3 int x comma y comma 0 comma y comma 0 then comma stone rule tile. Okay, so now it has a random chance of like making coal appear. So let's go back into Unity. Alright, let's make sure it changed our script here. Yep, it changed it. Alright, let's go into console, make sure there's no scripting errors. I think this is not a part of the script yet. Alright. Alright, so now let's go into our terrain generator object. And let's go ahead and go into rule tile, and let's set this as a rule tile. Okay. Now, if we press play, we'll see like a little bit of coal. See? Now you can see coal. Alright. And then if we go ahead and just stop it and then we play it again, you'll see coal is randomly placed again. Alright, cool. Okay, so you can see coal is gonna be like rarer than actual stone if we go to our scene here, because not all of it is gonna be seen. Yeah, it's a lot harder to see in the game. So yeah, it's a bit low resolution, but we will fix that once we are applying, because it's not low resolution in here, just in here, a little. But you can't look into it too much. Okay, so yeah, I think we are about, yep. So I think I'm going to call it our episode here, and we added smooth hills, and we added coal. So yeah, alright, well, bye bye.